Mondulkiri, Cambodia. In a remote protected forest, hours from the nearest village, Ranger Vaughn Sony scours the terrain for animal tracks.
Vaughn Sony is an interesting story. He has been with us for 10 years and he comes from the local community. He was an alcoholic when we approached him 10 years back. But he's an amazing tracker. He's the only person who can take you to the place where you can definitely see wild elephants. When we approached him, he was not very positive about it. Then slowly he started learning and then he started enjoying being in the forest. So he's amazing. Like, he's one of our best trackers and we would like him to continue with us as long as he wants.
Vaughn Sony has one arm shorter than the other, a reality that has never hampered his skills as a ranger.
Việc đại dương chia tới việc tiền, ta xài việc tiền đấy ban chỉ khơi đại dương thòm là hột từ, ấy sầm khăn từ mỗi con cá đào là bạt ấy nó đôi ở miền Bắc Pol ấy thì nó đại ấy thì prơ cá ban thằng ngọ, đôi như pu ô, anh sạc đô ly chơi ly ấy ban thằng ngọ, và.
In the blazing midday heat, there are no animals to be seen. These woodlands come alive at night. To capture images of the elusive wildlife, Vaughn Sony installs camera traps deep in the forest. The slightest movement triggers the cameras and may reveal thrilling discoveries. These harmless traps have also captured wild tigers, though the last time was in 2007. Tigers have not been seen in Cambodia's forests since. Armed poachers, driven by the lucrative illegal wildlife trade, ravage these forests.
This homemade gun to kill animals like white pig and small animal. It uses the small iron ball put inside the hole, and they use the air pump.
Under a forest canopy, experts provide training in first aid, field craft, and patrol maneuvers. These exercises, funded by Love Nature, are essential for rangers who spend most of their days in the wild with little or no access to fresh water, fresh food, or electricity, often in life-threatening situations. For the last 3 years running, Vaughn Sony has received the Ranger of the Year award. In his village, he's seen as a leader.
He is our champion who is living in the communities, talking positive things about conservation to the community. So he's not only doing work here, he's creating awareness in his entire village or even beyond that. So not only rangers here, but it's the entire community look up to him.
Rùa tha dương banក្នុងការចូលរួមការពារសត្វព្រៃដើម្បីសហការមួយអង្គការចឹងណាដើម្បីឲ្យសត្វព្រៃនៅគង់វង្សចេះស្រឡាញ់សត្វបាទហើយទៅចេះស្រឡាញ់សត្វដើម្បីទុកឲ្យកូនចៅចំនួនក្រោយដែលគ្នាមិនដែលធ្លាប់ឃើញសត្វអីណាដើម្បីចង់ថាខ្លួនយើងនឹងជាមនុស្សម្នាក់ដែលជាគំរូបាទជាគំរូទុក ឲ្យកូនចៅចំនួនក្រោយបានយល់ដឹងពីសត្វព្រៃ